Today we're going to take a look at the Peterson Great White LED Work Light. And this is going to be a spot beam, which is going to be a nice focused light. Helps to concentrate that light into a nice bright round pattern, great for seeing at longer distances. So this will work out really well for instances where you're going to have this on an off-road vehicle and need to light up a wide or light up a very great distance in front of you. The other nice thing about this light is that it's an LED design, so we don't have to worry about any maintenance with this light. There's no bulbs to change out, no filaments that can break on you. And the housing is going to be a very durable aluminum die cast, and our lens is going to be a polycarbonate, so it's going to be impact resistant. It's IP67 rated, which pretty much means that it's going to be impervious to dust and debris as well as water. So even if we have this outside, should not have any issues with any water or dust damage. It's going to be compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. We'll have two wires to connect, a power and ground. So black is going to be for power, white will be for ground. I'll go ahead and connect these, and you'll see it's going to be a very bright light. So pretty bright. I'll turn out the lights in the studio and you can get a better idea of how much light we'll get out of this in low light situations. So again, that spot beam is going to really focus that light. I've got this about as far as my arm will reach. It's about 3.5 feet and still very bright there. It has 6 diodes in total, so it'll be a very nice, durable light. You don't have to worry about any rusting or corrosion of the housing. Again, no filaments that can break on us. So it's going to be great for those off-road applications or whenever we have this out in the world. We don't have to worry about this breaking on us. As far as dimensions, the face of it is about 4 3/4 inches, about 4 13/16 to be exact, and then measuring from the top of the light to the bottom of the bracket, which is included, it's about 5 13/16, or again about 5 3/4. The depth is about 2 3/16, or about 2 1/4, and that's measuring from the light face to the very back of the bracket, which is going to be the furthest out point. The light has an output of 1,000 lumens with a power draw at 12 volts of 1.73 amps, or at 12 volt or 24 volts of 0.83 amps. Our wiring is about 10 inches of wire there to connect that up. I would suggest using some heat shrink butt connectors if you're going to have this outside, like mounted on a vehicle or a more rugged application. Heat shrink butt connectors are just going to make sure that you have a waterproof connection for your wiring, and you can find those here at etrailer.com. Our LEDs are also going to have a limited lifetime warranty from Peterson. And that's going to do it for our look at the Peterson Great White LED Work Light.